is the Phalanx 139-piece rotary toolkit here. It comes in this really great storage box. It's nice and secure in here. It just got these two tabs you open up right here to get access to it. So then you open it up here, you have the owner's manual right here. It's going to tell you everything about the tool right here. And then once you get in here, this is the actual tool. It's got a really nice long cord. And then when you look at the tool right here, it's got 6 different speed settings on here. This is the on and off. And you could see here, this is where you're going to put the pieces in. This is going to lock it, so you could use the wrench to tighten it up here. And just a really nice item here. I picked this up. I was looking to sand down some wood. Just had a very small project to work on, and I was able to use this with no problem. Why I chose this one, because it came with all of the accessories, 139-piece set, so I just wanted an all-in-one solution. I didn't want to have to buy the rotary tool and then search for the accessories. So I picked this up. I was able to get my wood sanded down, and now I have this really nice toolkit I'm going to be able to use for crafting and other things. This thing does like sanding, grinding, drilling, cutting, engraving, polishing. It just does a lot of different things. So like I said, used great for wood. You could say I have a little bit wood residue on here. And I was just very happy with it. It's quiet, doesn't make a lot of noise, 180-watt powerful motor. It's got this really long cord right here. I didn't even need an extension cord. I was able to plug this in and get my project done really easy. And these are all of the accessories that it comes with right here. You could see it opens up nice and easy, and then this lists out all of the accessories on here. But you should see, basically, just to go through it, you got you have all of these. You got the cutting disc, the wheels, the drums, flat wheels, the abrasive stones, the diamond burr bit, the twist drill, the rotary burr, the sandpaper disc, the oil stone. It just has everything here. You're going to be able to use this. This is definitely more than enough to get started, and it's going to cover a lot of different things here. These are the 2 I use for my wood project right here. So I just basically use these up right here. These are the like the pink stone ones. This is what it looked like new. This is what it looks like used. So I'm going to have to just basically retire these 2 right here. They're pretty much worn out from the wood project I did, but I have all of these other ones right here. So that's why I picked this one up. I just wanted an all-in-one solution. I didn't want to have to just get the rotary tool and then find all the accessories. So this is definitely going to be your go-to for multiple jobs. And again, it does everything from sanding, grinding, drilling, cutting, engraving, polishing. And it's just really nice item here. The carrying case is really good. This, I did not use this. Looks like it might be for like an air tool. And then this here just is, I believe it's a for using as a router. But if you're looking to cut some wood or just use this as a grinder, this is just a really great item. You're definitely going to be happy with this. This Phalanx is a great brand. They have some really positive reviews online, and I'm very pleased with this. So definitely want to check this out for your next tool project. This is the Phalanx rotary tool with a 193-piece set. Highly recommend this.